In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Udemy in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning to dive into a new course or simply want to have your payment details ready for your next learning adventure, having a seamless payment experience is crucial. So, let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First, start by navigating to the Udemy website. Open your preferred web browser and type in udemy.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner if you haven't already. Click on it, enter your login credentials, and you should be taken straight into your Udemy account. This is your gateway to a world of learning. So keep those login details handy. With your account ready, it's time to explore the course offerings. If you already have a particular course in mind, simply use the search bar at the top of the homepage to find it. Type in the course title or related keywords and hit enter. This will bring up a list of courses related to your search term. If you're still deciding, feel free to browse the various categories Udemy offers, ranging from business and technology to personal development. Once you see the course you've been eyeing, click on the course title. This action will take you to the course's dedicated page, where you can review detailed information about what it covers, who the instructor is, and read reviews from past students. If this is the course for you, look for the prominent Buy Now button. Clicking on it is your ticket to purchasing the course. Next, you'll need to select a payment method. Udemy offers a variety of options, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, and even some local payment solutions, depending on your region. Choose the method that best suits your needs to proceed with payment. Now comes the part where you enter your payment details. Carefully input your information, whether it's card details or PayPal login. You'll notice there's a checkbox that says, "Securely save this card for my later purchase." Checking this box means you won't need to re-enter your details for future purchases, making subsequent transactions smoother. It's a useful feature if you frequently buy courses. After entering all your details and reviewing them for accuracy, complete the transaction. If successful, you'll not only gain access to your new course immediately, but the payment method you used will now appear under the Payment Method section of your profile. To verify, simply navigate to your profile and look under the payment methods to see it listed. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've not only purchased a course, but also set up your payment method for future purchases on Udemy. With this done, you can now sit back and focus on the exciting journey of learning that lies ahead. Happy learning, and thank you for joining me today.